Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use exploration manual in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up the game as you normally would. And now before I start this video, so what are exploration manuals? So these are skill up items specifically for exploration skills, not expedition skills. And they've got rarity tiers, so we got rare, epic, mythic. So use the manual matching the hero skills rarity. And now where to find these? So we can find these earned via events, the VIP or lighthouse shops, arena rewards, or recruitment missions. Now how to use them. So what we want to go is tap on the heroes tab on the bottom left hand corner of the page. Then from here choose a hero. So I'm going to use this hero for example. Now once you've found your hero, we want to go ahead and tap on the skills tab. Now once you're here, you'll see both exploration and expedition skills. So choose an exploration skill. Only the left side ones are for exploration mode, as you can see below here. Tapping a skill will show if an upgrade button is active and what manual is needed. So if I want to go ahead and tap on this one, I can choose this one and then go ahead and click on upgrade. So now basically tapping a skill will show if an upgrade button is active and what manual is needed. So from here, just go ahead and apply the manuals of the correct manuals in your inventory and the hero meeting the requirements. For example, your star level, tap upgrade to use a manual and boost that skills level. Then from there, go ahead and confirm and enjoy the boost. So once successful, the skill is enhanced, applying the extra punch or utility each time your hero enters exploration mode.